Can you hear me now? Can you hear me crying out like an animal out in the wild? I shout your name into the night.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Estelle, and if this is your first time watching my video, thank you so much. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, press the subscribe button down below. That way, when I upload a new video, you will be among the first people to see it. Yay! Also, if you like today's recipe, don't forget to like my video. That lets me know that you like my recipe, and it also let me know that you like the kind of videos I am uploading. As you all know, I do international cooking, and so this week cooking adventure takes us to Ethiopia. Yay! Go, 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 go Ethiopia, go Ethiopia. So today's dish is one of Africa's most famous dish, and is also Ethiopian's national dish, which is called DORO WAT, which simply means spicy chicken stew. Yay! According to the history of Ethiopia, for a woman to get a husband, she has to be good at cooking this dish. So if I get this dish right and you guys like it, I'm sure if I ever go to Ethiopia, I will get a husband, no problem. But I don't think my current husband would like that very much. I'm joking, guys. Don't mind me, I'm just kidding on. So guys, if you are interested to see how I do this, keep watching. And let's begin cooking. Yay!
Without you here with me. But now I'm standing looking in the mirror, wondering whatever happened to our love. Deep down I thought that there would always be enough. Since you disappeared, I know the time don't wait for no one. You gotta say what you want. If you were here with me now, I'd tell you you're the one. Cause you're the closest thing to an angel that I ever met. So don't you worry, I'll never forget you. Know that you can't be here by my side. I feel you near me when I close my eyes. So I won't let your memory come to an end. When I said forever, that's just what I meant. Yeah, forever, yeah. No reason to hold forever. Oh, oh, oh. Now in my mind I'm imagining your face and all the little silly things you used to say. This is the pain that I can barely tolerate. Never thought it'd be this rough. Now when I smile in front of people it's a fake. Cause deep inside I'm crying for my baby. It's gonna be a while before I'm okay. Cause now that you're gone I know that time don't wait for no one. You gotta say what you want. If you were here with me now, I'd say that you're the one. Cause you're the closest thing to an angel that I ever met. So don't you worry, I'll never forget you. No, boy, you can't be here by my side. I feel you near me when I close my eyes. So I won't let your memory come to an end. When I said forever, that's just what I meant. Won't let nothing come between us, no matter how long or how hard it gets. Oh, don't you know you are the reason that I walk, I breathe, I live. So nobody can be here by my side. Now I feel you near me when I close my eyes. So I won't let your memory come to an end. 'Cause when I said forever, forever's what I mean. Forever, forever, always in my heart forever's what I mean. Forever, forever, always in my heart forever. I didn't know what it meant to be alone. I didn't know till the day you were gone that I could ever feel this miserable without you here with me. But now I'm standing looking in the mirror, wondering whatever happened to our love. Deep down I thought that there would always be enough. Since you disappeared, I know the time don't wait for no one. You gotta say what you want. If you were here with me now, I'd tell you you're the one. 'Cause you're the closest thing to an angel that I ever met. So don't you worry, I'll never forget you. No, but you can't be here by my side. I feel you near me when I close my eyes. So I won't let your memory come to an end. When I said forever, that's just what I meant. Yeah, forever, yeah, always in my heart forever. Now in my mind I'm imagining your face and all the little silly things you used to say. This is the pain that I can barely tolerate. Never thought it'd be this rough. Now when I smile in front of people it's a fake. 'Cause deep inside I'm crying for my baby. It's gonna be a while before I'm okay. 'Cause now that you're gone I know that time don't wait for no one. You gotta say what you want. If you were here with me now, I'd say that you're the one. 'Cause you're the closest thing to an angel that I ever met. So don't you worry,